Put around it. Push up right here.
Oh. This is heavy.
I know. I have to use my other hand to do it.
Okay, now it's loaded. Now push that where
What am I shooting? Just that guy there?
Oh yeah, you'll notice where it hits. No, it's gonna. Hold on.
What? Am I too close?
Are you right-handed?
Yeah, I'm right-handed.
Okay. Make sure you got this and not just laying on it.
You want to hold it tight.
I'm scared.
Just shoot it.
Now
do an off stance.
Back and forward with the. Okay, now you got 8 shots.
Mom. Yeah, there you go. Do an off stance.
And right in the head.
That's where I'm aiming.
Okay. Hey, the rest of it all.
Keep going. Push forward with your back foot. Keep going. Just keep going until it clicks.
That's the last one.
That was not nice.